Fort Lauderdale, Florida. What started as a dangerous drive quickly turned into a high-speed pursuit through the Florida Keys. Authorities say 35-year-old Leonette Rodriguez was spotted driving into oncoming traffic and using the shoulder to pass other vehicles along US 1. When deputies attempted to stop her, the situation escalated into a chase, reaching speeds of more than 80 miles per hour. The pursuit finally came to an end after deputies deployed a spike strip on Big Pine Key, bringing the vehicle to a stop. Here's what happened next.
Put your hands on the wheel.
Put your hand.
Wait, open the door. I got your hands.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Get out right now. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Good job. I'm letting in spikes.
I'm glad you didn't have spikes.
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna hit me. I ran away. Close on team 1 detained. Traffic stopped right now. Right there. Hey. I was on the phone with 911. Sit! Sit in the car! Get in the goddamn car. What is your name? What is your name? Are you hurt? We'll talk later.
Here, I'm gonna get the spikes out of the road.
Yeah. Put them in front of my car.
What do you say?
He's a good witness. He's going to file a witness statement. He saw her doing some crazy stuff.
No, yeah, she brake checked me and then fucking just sped off.
I thought she was about to hit me on the
somebody
side.
else's vehicle and tried to yank on the driver's door, and the guy got scared, obviously, and took off. But she
Okay.
went into oncoming traffic 3 times, and that person had to veer off the bridge and almost drive into the wall.
Okay.
That was 3 times. And she got out in the middle of the road, stopped in the middle of the road a couple times. I've been following her since Cudjoe. I got on the phone with 911. I gave them their license plate, and she got out, stumbling and just started, obviously on narcotics or something, or on alcohol. I don't know what she's got going on, but...
All right.
Right here.
Yeah.
No, I got it.
All right. What do you need?
All right.
Tell me.
One sec.
Do I have to give you my address and all that, or just a written statement?
Just fill out as much as you can, just because in the future, if we need to contact you and your number doesn't work, so we'll need to just fill out as much as you can on here, okay?
That's fine.
All right, let me get some pictures and document the inside, and then we can put it off the road. And
Yeah.
Start with open the inside container.
Huh?
There's stuff on the inside.
I haven't looked inside the inside yet.
you see a drink, there's spill.
There's, yeah, I don't,
Everywhere, but you see it.
negative.
Okay. Barry's going to be coming up to spike the vehicle. He has to.
Yeah.
I'm actually okay with us being right here and not moving the car yet. I'm going to close the door. Can you throw up a couple cones behind us?
Yeah.
And I wrote down, I mean, what I saw as I was following her.
Okay. You don't want to put your address or anything like that?
Do you need it?
I mean, it's preferable if you need to contact you and the phone number doesn't work.
Okay, that's fine. You send me a mail or something?
I mean, honestly, like.
You need an email? I'll give you an email or whatever. I'll give you my.
Thank you. Here. Just stay right here for a second. We're gonna push this out of the road.
Yeah, she wrecked her transmission completely on the way.
All right. At the bottom of the form, I gotta swear you in. So. Alrighty, so you're going to sign and date right here.
Okay.
Now just raise your right hand. Do you swear and affirm that everything you wrote here is the truth?
I do.
All right. Yeah. So, you got that. Just sign and date.
Today's date, July. No, it's August. August.
Today is August 16th, 8/16.
All right.
Okay, awesome.
Is this going to lead to me going to court?
Possibly if you're a witness, it's not gonna be against you. You're just gonna say you're basically gonna say what you saw. So.
Right.
That depends on the prosecutor also. So.
Yeah, I'm definitely probably not gonna make it to court. But if you need to call me for anything, I'll answer the phone, no problem, and I'll say what I gotta say over the phone.
Okay. I mean, that's something for the future we can worry about.
Yeah. I work for Palm Beach County.
Palm Beach.
You got his ID already, or?
I don't. As long as you have your name and date of birth. You got your DL on you, man?
My driver's license? Yeah, it's over.
Oh yeah, the date of birth and all that.
Yeah, dude. No, I'm local down here. I live in Cudjoe. My parents live down here as well, but I'm just driving back because I got to go to Florida. I'm sorry.
You're good, man.
I'm sorry, dude. But yeah, I was driving back, man, and I didn't expect to run into that.
Yeah.
You know, whatever. It is what it is.
Just put your date of birth right here.
I was really hoping that one of the cars pulled up and got hit or
Yeah.
that other stuff happened.
I'm surprised it didn't hit. I'm surprised it didn't hit a car.
Couple calls in the dispatch, so.
Dude, I had to keep my distance from her because she was gonna kill somebody.
Yeah, she was
Yeah.
Yeah, no kidding.
So she was basically brake checking. I got behind her. She just stopped right in the middle of the road.
Yeah, so when I saw her over here, I had the spikes in the road already.
Did you see her
I saw
all
her
over the road?
swerve into the oncoming lane and then swerve back, so I fucking ran away.
Yeah.
Except I was going to
I knew she wasn't gonna stop for you.
No, but I wanted to hit those spikes, which she did.
Right.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, she stopped in the middle of the road, tried to get into somebody else's vehicle,
Yeah.
and then that guy obviously took off. She got back in her car and kept going. So, but she got into oncoming traffic over there on the bridge, and that person ate the wall. It looked like a Dodge Charger that was coming southbound, and I looked, and that oh crap moment they're about to head
Yeah.
on. He ate the wall, and she missed him and kept going. So, yeah. All right, boys, stay safe.
Thank you.
you, man.
Alrighty. Inventory, right?
So,
Or
yes. Yes. I'm going to go try and interview her. In your inventory, can you try to find an ID?
an ID. Okay. Anything else, or? All right.
Banging her head on the inside.
All right. I'll go do this. You go do that.
Yeah, I'm probably going to have to anyway.
Stones. Glasses.
She is the RO of the car. I got her to give me her name. She's very unhappy. I think she was trying to bribe me a minute ago.
I don't know if that has her name on it.
I don't know. I know who she is. Fuck that, come over here. What was your PC for initially trying to stop her? Did you have a specific reason? Speed?
No, she's
leaving lane?
She just stopped in the middle of traffic.
She stopped in the middle of the
obstructing
road.
traffic.
Perfect. So impeding traffic.
Impeding
stopped
traffic.
at parking. And that was at the 30.
I was like between the 30 and it's right before the light.
Oh, right around the Winn-Dixie light. Okay.
Yeah, right before the Winn-Dixie light. She was stopping middle traffic. I saw it. I made a U-turn. I got behind her because she kept stopping, and I pulled in front of this guy, pulled in front of him. She just completely stopped in middle traffic. That's when I lit her up because she's obstructing traffic. There's a whole bunch of cars behind her.
Yep.
And she just starts taking off. She
I
goes
heard
like 25.
I heard your call outs for the increasing speed. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Because it helped me. I was trying to figure out if I was about to stop. I ended up racing up here and then throwing the spikes.
No, that's good. I mean,
it worked out great.
Thank you. No,
yeah,
you
fucking.
Okay.
Fucking. All right. Cool. Good.
I'm still searching this bag.
Anything weird?
Nothing. Like honestly, like I'm still searching.
Or anything crazy like that?
I don't know what happened. She might be a nurse or something. She has a med kit in the middle.
She's explaining that she's studying medicine in Miami, and she's from Miami-Dade area.
And then what was the reason for?
I haven't gone there yet.
Okay.
I need to Mirandize her.
Okay.
English is not her primary language. I'm thinking about having Venus do it in Spanish.
No, yeah. She's screaming. Okay. I'm good. I'm still searching. Oh yeah. ID.
Oh, you're the man. Yeah, that should be up picture.
Awesome. She has a lot of money. Like a lot of cash.
I will take money with me into her jail property.
Like
I would not. Oh my god, there's a lot. Let me get a bag.
Yeah. No, yeah.
I would not like that.
Yeah, I'm sweating so much. Is that it? Got me another bag in here.
All the money will go in this bag. All right. I'll count it after.
You want me to put change and everything or just the cash? Because there's no much change on the ground. Everything?
Oh, if it's loose change, screw it. But if it's
Like in a
bag,
you want the debit cards also or just the cash?
and then anything of value like debit cards, phone, into this bag.
Okay.
That way. we don't
Jewelry
lose.
also?
If it looks like it's actually valuable, not like a $2.
I mean,
Yeah.
I'll put it.
That's judgment. That's
Yeah.
judgment. Okay. No rush.
All right.
What can I help you with?
I mean, I've just done the front passenger or the front seat and the back
let me
seat.
go through the-
I haven't gone the other side yet.
You're
Careful,
garbage, and I wanna pay for it because
I'd
you're.
like to put your seatbelt
you're,
on, okay?
You're
Can you
so
lean back against the car?
fake.
Okay. Can you look that way? I'm gonna put your
You're
seatbelt on.
so fake. And look like
Ma'am,
I got people on the mountain, and you wanna pay for it. It's a piece of garbage, Benny. I hope that you don't have like kids.
Okay. Do you have anything on? Anything in your pockets? No?
Don't touch me, garbage.
Okay. The camera's on inside.
I
the car,
hope
okay?
you get.
Okay.
Get.
Good talk.
yeah. I'm gonna start calling people. How many callers? I'll check
I
it.
don't know.
There was a lot of callers.
There's at least two. I know one
I was-
anonymous, so there's probably not even a call.
Yeah. I was going to the welfare and I kept hearing like, oh, she's going southbound. I'm like, okay. She's going northbound
was the
now.
right decision.
I'm like, okay. I was looking out and I kept turning around because I thought it was the car passing. And then like they were saying like the 29. I'm like, okay. I was still on the side of the road and I'm looking down. I see all the cars stopped, like in the middle of just the road. So I pull out. They go up. Like she's like driving like weirdly. I go up, get behind her. Just kept stopping. And then I got behind her and she stopped right in front of me, like complete dead stop. I light her up
Yeah,
because
and
she's
then just
impeding
started
traffic because
taking
there's so many
off.
traffic, and then she was like speeding up and went from like 25 to 30, 25 to 50, and then went all the way up to 80. She just fucking gunned it. So I'm gonna start calling people. I guess we'll keep this stuff out. Or I guess we should talk to Bragg first.
make sure isn't anything else. He asked me to ask you to do that. So. Really good talk.
We get them off,
Huh?
completely off the roadway?
The car's off the roadway.
Okay, can we get our car out of the roadway?
Yeah.
In the end, Leonette Rodriguez was taken into custody and charged with DUI, fleeing and eluding, and reckless driving. Authorities later held her at the Key West jail on a $105,000 bond. Incidents like this highlight how quickly reckless decisions on the road can put countless lives at risk. If you found this case interesting, make sure to subscribe for more real police body cam stories and breakdowns.